Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get This is a race challenge. Get to the finish line first to claim your red wheel. Gotta tap fast to launch your car. Two-finger controls. Okay, you can do better next time. Show me what you've got. That was cool. Challenge cleared. Stellar. Roger Dodger is ready to roll.